Hi, in front of me is Blackview A80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now tap on Security and Location, choose Screen Lock and pick one of the options. Swipe Pattern, PIN or Password. I will go with Pattern, so now I have to click on it. Pick one of the options, I will go with No, and draw my pattern. Then click Next. Draw it again and tap Confirm. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Pick one of the options. I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all, so I have to click on it, choose Done, and now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!